Dear welders, welcome to your Science and the Art of Welding channel. On this occasion, the largest Latin American manufacturer of welding power sources brings you the new FORTIS Family, inverter equipment with IGBT multi-process electronic technology, and the best existing performance in the welding market thanks to their excellent duty cycles, which allow low energy consumption, are lighter and easier to manipulate, and offer better features than conventional equipment. The FORTIS family of welding machines have a great versatility, as they are power sources with constant voltage and same as in the electrical current. Specialized for welding various processes such as coated electrode, MIG with solid microwire and flux core, pulsed MIG, TIG process with tungsten electrode and direct current, and pulse TIG, carbon electrode, and gouging. Their main applications are in carbon steel, stainless steel, and aluminum. The FORTIS inverter's power sources work with a 220 440 volts 3-phase connection, have an automatic cooling service. Their control panel is user-friendly, have a welding process selector, digital voltmeter and digital amp meter, an electronic current and voltage control that allows pre-adjustment of welding values, automatic arc control, electronic inductance control, fault indicator board displaying the error code on the screen, 14-terminal receptacle for direct connection to power supplies, push buttons, and remote control. Thanks to their pulsed MIG and TIG technologies, you can achieve a much finer finish and excellent penetration, with the benefit that the quality is maintained at a standard level regardless of variations in the welder's pulse. Their push-button systems, either integrated as in the FORTIS 450 or as an optional accessory in the FORTIS 400 and 600, have preloaded programs of welding parameters, memories by process type, electronic voltage control, compensation of power supply variations. Their contact TIG system allows a starting arc that minimizes electrode contamination without the use of high frequency. The FORTIS family of equipment is compact and easy to move to different work areas with the help of the SIISA running gear, which has a cylinder holder and storage compartment for your accessories. The FORTIS family's high performance with state-of-the-art technology for heavy industrial work can be applied in the manufacture of containers and pails used in the chemical, oil, railway, naval, and pharmaceutical industries, in the construction and structural industry, in the manufacture of automotive equipment, and in the assembly of equipment for the food and brewing industries. SIISA, 58 years designing and manufacturing products in Mexico. For consulting and maintenance, contact us directly at the plant. Find the details in the description of this video and visit our website to learn more about our products and services. Make the benefits offered by SIISA welding machines yours. And remember that in the science and art of welding, we provide the science and you the art.